like you're looking at the stadium behind me, that's where Pele, obviously people will know, won the World Cup Brazil in 1970. Then there's Maradona's turn by Argentina in 1986.
The opening games on Thursday, they are in Mexico. There is one that I don't even know if I want to talk about it. In fact, I'm not even sure I'm going to talk about it, because really this should be we should all be on location in Guadalajara. But the people who want to stay up and torture themselves and watch Korea and Czechia, then they will. And look, best to look at them. But yeah, Mexico and South Africa. What, I know you're not in the country that long, but have you got any sense of, okay, what is the feel in Mexico, which is like more than the other two nations, it has to be said, football country?
Like you're looking at the stadium behind me, that's where Pele, obviously people will know, won the World Cup Brazil in 1970. Then there's Maradona's turn by Argentina in 1986. Just walking up here, you do get that sense of history, that sense that this is a real, what you want to call it, a real cathedral of football. But yeah, kind of being in and around the city on the way up to the stadium, there is, I must say, I know we've covered a couple of World Cups, but just walking in here, one thing that struck me was how like unprepared certain bits are. Like a lot around here looks like a construction site.
Nothing new there, yeah. Nothing new.
Taxi, there was probably 50 or 60 people frantically planting plants and kind of new plants and trees, kind of ready to spruce the place up, and taking place in 24 hours. Like,